Without further ado, just welcome these three wonderful women. Here you go.
Okay. Hello. Okay. Yeah, we are students at Aarhus University at IT Didactisk Design, and
what's it called in English? Like
ICT-based educational design.
yes,
that's it.
what she said. Yeah, and our group, when we first started working on our semester project, we started looking at the campaigns from the health department and how people wrote about exercise and moving on social media. And we found out that the arguments for exercising had a tendency to focus on rational arguments such as live longer and stay healthy and look fit. But when we started talking to our target group, which are women, grown women, and when we asked them what made them want to exercise and move, they mentioned different reasons. They said stuff like for fun and to be happy. So we saw this clash between arguments, and we found that very interesting. And we thought, how can we focus more on exercise from a playful point of view? And how can the stories we tell about exercise and moving be more about fun, playfulness, and pleasure, rather than just do it because it's good for you physically? Yeah, so here at Counterplay, we are exploring these questions.
Yeah, so now we're working on a design project where we are trying to encourage women to explore and challenge and actually play with all the preconceptions and discourses about how we should be as women. We all sometimes feel like an animal from time to time. I often feel like a monkey when I move around because it always gets sort of messy and jumpy and so, yeah.
And I sometimes feel like a goose because my ass gets in the way.
So now we would actually like to invite you to a little game.
Yeah, so you're not just going to sit there and listen. You are going to get up. Get up. And we will play with you from the stage. Okay, so now we want you to just take 10 seconds to think about which animal you feel like when you move or do exercise and are in motion. Yeah, so just think about how you feel when you move. Yeah, so that was 10 seconds, and we're on the clock here. So, okay, now you have decided on your animal. So I'm gonna count down from 3, and everybody just move like the animal you feel like when you move. And we're gonna do it too, right? Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Well, okay, you're off the hook now. You can sit down. Well, and then if you would help us a little in the further process of our project, please tweet a few words on the Play Rocks about why you were that animal or how it made you feel. And then otherwise, please join us on the 6th floor at the Chaos Pilot and look at our and all our fellow students
And try on masks.
project.
We have different masks. You can be all kinds of animals.
There's some really interesting projects up there, so it would be lovely.